Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut templates on laptop or PC. So if you are already downloading CapCut apps on your computer like this, you cannot find the templates features in here. So what you need to do if you want to use templates on a computer, you can just go to your browser and then use the CapCut online. You can go to the CapCut.com and your CapCut will be open like this. You need to log in, and this is my CapCut on PC, CapCut online. If you want to use a template, you can just click on the template buttons in here. Then just find templates that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this photos or videos. So after you click on use this template, a new page will be open. So what you need to do is just replace all of this with your image or video. So I'm going to click on this to replace this one, and then for the next one, you just use all of these photos. Okay, so now if you want to preview the result first, and then that's it. You can just click on export if you are done with these editing. If you are satisfied with the result, just click on download and then click on export. So now the videos will be saving, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.